Indeed, Francis, what are your thoughts about that? Why not just bring her back and then have her stand trial?
The Court of Appeal has just made a decision a couple of days ago on that exact issue, and that is not to say that it's decided that she should not be stripped of her citizenship. It's not yet made that decision, but the question of whether she should be deprived of her citizenship will have to be decided, and the Court of Appeal has said that she found that she couldn't have an effective appeal were she not returned, and in that they differ. Albeit they don't go against three earlier decisions, but there are three earlier decisions of the Court of Appeal that the government suggested mean that it is not necessary in all cases to to repatriate people to conduct their appeals. But in this case, on the facts of this case, the Court of Appeal found that it was necessary and she couldn't have a fair hearing. It dismissed her suggestion by her counsel, Thomas Hickman QC, that the appeal should be allowed without her present, and decided that it would have to take place once she was repatriated. How that can happen is an interesting question because, of course, reference was made in the judgment to the fact that President Trump, who has a considerable control, the Americans have considerable control over that area of Iraq, or access to that area of Iraq, has made that repatriation very difficult. So it remains to be seen whether she should have that. But on the first preliminary point of whether she should be returned, that's what the Court of Appeal decided. I agree with that decision, certainly. If she can't have a fair trial, then it stands to reason that she should, unless she is repatriated, and that's what the Court of Appeal found, then it stands to reason that she should be.